You did everything right for 28 years. And the papers still came on a Tuesday. The first thing that died wasn't the marriage, it was the math. The retirement you spent 3 decades building just got cut in half. And nobody warned you how the money really works. This is grey divorce. Divorce after 50. And the men who walk into it blind walk out broke. Here's the money truth, the part they find out too late. First, understand what's happening. Since 1990, the divorce rate for everyone under 50 has fallen. But for people over 50, it has doubled. For people over 65, it has tripled. They call it the grey divorce revolution, and it is quietly wiping out a generation of men's retirements. Here's what divorce does to money after 50. Your wealth doesn't just dip, it gets cut roughly in half, overnight. And at 55, you don't have 30 years to rebuild it, you have 10. That's the trap. Same loss, no time. Truth number 1. It is not 50-50 of your paycheck. It is 50-50 of everything. The savings, the investments, and the one that breaks men, the retirement accounts. That 401k, that pension you protected for decades. It gets split by a court order called a QDRO. Half of it walks out the door. Money you were counting on at 65 is suddenly gone at 55, and the clock to rebuild it has almost run out. Truth number 2. The house is not a prize, it's an anchor. After a divorce, a man will fight to keep the family home out of pride or guilt. Then he's left house rich and cash poor. Drowning in a mortgage, taxes, and upkeep, he can't carry on one income. The house feels like winning, but you can't eat a house. You can't retire on a house you can't afford. Sometimes the smartest, hardest move is to let it go and keep the cash you can actually live on. Truth number 3. Your retirement date just moved, and not in your favor. Run the real numbers. Half the assets, plus the cost of running 2 households instead of 1, plus legal fees, and the day you plan to stop working slides 5, 10 years down the road. The gold watch turns into a longer shift. Truth number 4. In a long, ugly fight, there is only one guaranteed winner, and it's not you. 2 angry people paying 2 lawyers by the hour can burn tens of thousands fighting over things worth less than the fight. Rage is the most expensive thing you can buy in a divorce. Settle smart, not scorched. Truth number 5. The surprises in the fine print. If you were married 10 years or longer, your ex can claim Social Security on your record. It doesn't lower your check, but no one tells you it's coming. Pensions, annuities, the tax bomb on cashing out an account early, these quietly cost men thousands. Read everything, assume nothing. Now, if you're in this right now, breathe. Because here is the other truth. Men rebuild from this every single day. A divorce is not the end of your financial life, but only if you stop bleeding and start steering. Here's how. 1. Get your 4 numbers on one page. What you own, what you owe, what's actually coming in, and what 2 households will really cost. You can't negotiate what you refuse to look at. Clarity first. 2. Hire the right brain, not just the loudest lawyer. There's a specialist called a Certified Divorce Financial Analyst. They model what each settlement actually looks like in 10 years, so you don't trade the retirement account for a house that sinks you. 3. Protect the retirement money like your life depends on it, because it does. Understand the QDRO. Do not cash out early and hand the government a penalty and a tax bill. Roll it, don't raid it. What's left has to last. 4. Rebuild the runway, a lean new budget. Catch-up contributions. After 50, the government lets you save more, so use it. And if you can, delay Social Security to grow the check. Small, boring moves. They're exactly how men come back. Here's the part no one says out loud. Half of your money, with your freedom and your peace, can be worth more than all of it inside a marriage that was quietly killing you. The number on the page got smaller. Your life doesn't have to. You are not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. You already know how to build. You did it once. Now you do it leaner, smarter, and for yourself. If this hit home, subscribe. This channel is built for the climb back. And I made you a free one-page grey divorce money checklist. The 4 numbers, the questions to ask, the traps to dodge. So you walk in with your eyes open. The link's in the description. Protect your future. I'll see you at the top.